Hello class 3 students, welcome to my channel. Students, today we solve the second chapter and test, that is chapter subtraction class 3 mathematics. So let's start the session. So take pen and paper, solve these questions and comment your score. Question number 1. Which sign is used to represent the subtraction? Second one, this is minus. Next question. The difference between 303 and 247. So subtract 303, 247. Now subtract 3 minus 7, carry 1, that is 13. 13, 7, 6. Here is 9 and here is 2. So 9, 4, 5, 2, 2, 0. So answer is 56. Next question. Subtract 380 minus 217. So subtract 380, 217. Now subtract 0 minus 7. Carry 1, 10. Here is 7. 10 minus 7, 3. 7 minus 1, 6. 3 minus 2, 1. So 163. Next question. Question number 4. 9 to 5 minus 8, 5, 9. So 15 minus 9, that is 6. Here is 1. 11 minus 5, that is 6. Here is 8. 8 minus 8, 0. The answer is 66. Next question. Question number 5. Subtract 8, 7, 4, 2, 9, 9. So 4 minus 9, that is 14, 9, 5. Here is 6, 16 minus 9, 6, 6, 7. Here is 7, 7 to 5. So answer is 575. Next question. Subtract the sum. First we find the sum of 874 and 362. So first addition. So 874 with 362. 4 plus 2, 6. Now 13. Carry 1. 9 plus 3, 12. Now subtract. So write down. Subtract 1236 from 999, that is 999 minus 136. So subtract 9 minus 6, 3, 9, 3, 6, 9, 2, 7, 9, 1, 8. So answer is 8763. Next question, question number 7 and the last question. The sum of two numbers is, so write down, sum of two numbers equal to 8345 and one number equal to 4234 and other number equal to subtract. So minus 5 minus 4, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. 8 minus 4, 4. So answer is 4111. Okay. So completed. Next class we solve the next chapter and test, that is multiplication. Till then, thank you.